Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in the previous video, we had already discussed about what is magnitude, okay, and some important point related to this. In this video, we will discuss about direction, okay. First of all, I would like to introduce that what is direction. Uh, the angle made by a vector quantity with a reference line is called direction. Okay, what is direction? The angle made by a vector quantity with a reference line is called direction. Okay, here is new term is a reference line. Let's see what is reference line. The line from which we start our measurement is called reference line. Okay, what is reference line? The line from which we start our measurement is called reference line. Okay, for example, one is x-axis, y-axis, and this one is z-axis. Okay, this angle is 90 degree. This one is also 90 degree. Okay, for example, we write x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Okay, I hope you understand that what is direction. The angle made by a vector quantity with a reference line is called direction. And what is reference line? The line from which we start our measurement is called reference line. Okay. Now let's see meaning of east of north and north of east. Okay. Let's see meaning. Meaning of east of north and north of east. Okay, and north of east. meaning of east of north and north of east. Okay, we know that east, west, north, south. Okay, so this east, north, and here is west. Okay, now let's see. Meaning of north of east and east of north. Okay, so this one is with F vector is equal to 10 Newton. Okay, and this one is our 30 degree and this one is 60 degree. Okay, so the one with which the angle is formed is written in last. Okay, so F vector is equal to 10 Newton at 30 degree north of east. Okay, here is point that the one with which the angle is formed is written in last. Okay, so 30 degree north of east. North of east. Okay, degree north of east. Or you can also write like this: F vector is equal to 10 Newton at 60 degree east of north. Okay, at 60 degree east of north. Okay, here you can see that 60 degree is formed with north, so the angle is written in last. Okay, so F Newton is equal to 10, sorry, F vector is equal to 10 Newton and 60 degree east of north. Okay, or you can also write like this: F vector is equal to 10 Newton at 30 degree with east towards north. Okay, F vector is equal to 10 Newton at 30 degree with east toward north. Okay, here you can also write due, but the toward is suitable, I think. So that's why. Now, or you can also write like this: F vector is equal to 10 Newton at 60 degree with north toward east. Okay, north towards east. Okay, 60 degree with north toward its. Okay. So I hope you understand meaning of east of north and north of east. Okay. Now let's move further. Meaning of north of west and west of north. Now let's see meaning of north of west, north of west and west of north, okay. East, north, south, here, west. Okay, east, west, north, south. West, north, east and south. Okay. Meaning of north of west and west of north. Okay. So the vector is equal to 20 Newton. Okay, 20, 30. 20 Newton and this angle is 30 degree. And this one is like this angle is 60 degree. Okay. Now we write like this: if vector is equal to 20 Newton at 30 degree north of west. If vector is equal to 20 Newton at 30 degree north of west. Okay. Okay. And we know that the one with which the angle is formed is written in the last. Okay. 30 degree is formed with west, so that's why it is written in last. Okay. Or you can also write like this: force is equal to 20 Newton at 60 degree west of north. 60 degree is formed with north. Okay. West of north. Okay. So I hope you understand. Or you can that a force is equal to 20 Newton at 60 degree west of north. Okay. And we know that the one with which the angle is formed is written in last. Okay. So 60 degree is formed with north. That's why you can see that that's why it is written in last. Okay. Or you can also write like this: or force is equal to 20 Newton. At 60 degree with north towards west. Force is equal to 20 Newton at 60 degree with north towards west. Okay. Or if vector is equal to 20 Newton at 30 degree with west towards north. Okay. Meaning of north of west and west of north is written like this. Okay. That if at force is equal to 20 Newton at 30 degree north of west, uh, the angle is formed. The one with which the angle is formed is written at last. Okay. So 30 degree is formed with west. That's why it is written at last. Okay. So I hope you understand this. Now move to the next. That meaning of meaning of west, meaning of west of south, west of south and south of west. Okay. Now let's see meaning of west of south and south of west. East, north, west, west and south. Okay. The meaning of west of south and south of west. This one is 25 degree and this one is 65 degree. Okay. 65 plus 25 is equal to 90. And also write like this. This one is force is equal to 4 Newton. Okay. Now let's see that force is equal to 4 Newton at 25 degree south of west. South of west. Okay. Force is equal to 4 Newton at 25 degrees south of west. West is written in last because 25 degrees formed with west. Okay. So that's why it is written in last. Or you can also write like this: if Newton is equal to if force is equal to 4 Newton at 65 degree, at 65 degree west of south, west of south. Okay. 65 degrees formed with south, that's why it is written in last. Okay. Now you can also write if vector is equal to 4 Newton at F vector is equal to 4 Newton at 25 degree with east towards south. Okay, sorry, west. With west towards south. Okay, force is equal to 4 Newton at 25 degree with west toward south. Okay, or F vector is equal to force Newton. Force is equal to 4 Newton at 60 degree with south. 65 degree. Oh, sorry. 65 degree. 65 degree with south towards west. Okay. Force is equal to 4 Newton at 65 degree with south towards west. Okay, so I hope you understand so the meaning of west of south and south of west. Now move further. Now let's see meaning of south of east and east of west. Meaning of south of east and east of south. Okay, let's see meaning of south of east and east of south. At east west, north and south. East, north, west. Force is equal to 5 Newton. This angle, let this angle is 30 degree, okay, and this one is 60 degree. So force is equal to 5 Newton. 5 Newton at 30 degree east of south. Okay, 30 degree east of south. 30 degrees formed with south, that's why it is written in the last. Okay, or force is equal to 5 Newton at 60 degree south of east. Okay, south of east. Force is equal to 5 Newton at 60 degree south of east. Okay, or F vector is equal to 5 Newton at 30 degree with south. Towards east. towards east. Okay, 30 degree with south towards east. Or F vector is equal to 5 Newton at 60 degree east, 60 degree with east. 60 degrees formed with east, okay, towards south. I hope you understand the meaning of south of east and east of south. Okay. So I hope you understand all the things that we learned today. That is, first one is, in this video I discussed about direction. What is direction? The angle made by a vector quantity with reference line is called what? Direction. And what is reference line? The point from which we start our measurement is called reference line. Okay, like x-axis, for example, x-axis. From here we start our measurement. X-axis, y-axis, and one is z-axis. After that we see that the meaning of east of north and north of east. Okay, that okay, that the if force is equal to 10 Newton at 30 degree north of east, 30 degree is formed with east, that's why it is written in the last. Okay, the one with which the angle is formed is written in last. Okay, I hope you understand the meaning of east of north and north of west, and meaning of north of west and west of north, and after that meaning of north of west, meaning of north of west and west of north, and after that meaning of west of south and south of west, and last meaning of south of east and east of south. So I hope you understand this all things that we had learned today. So I hope you understand all the video. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.